What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on USD CHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity current do you have in this instrument. As you can see, USD CHF on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. And then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade USD CHF. Looking at first of all monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that USD CHF is long-term bearish market. As you can see, historically resistance zone here, we saw a strong rejection from this resistance. That when the price reached the same level, we have seen the same kind of reactions. Whenever the price is hitting this historical resistance level, the price is rejecting. Now finally what we saw that USD CHF from this level created this long bearish engulfer followed by quite a few months strong drop. Now this month after market open, we see significant retracement to the upside. Now the price is again slowly rejecting. Now what we can expect, as this is a long-term bearish market, the price is slowly again rejecting from this monthly resistance. We can expect another drop on the lower time frame on USD CHF. So from the lower time frame perspective and higher time frame perspective, we see that USD CHF is currently bearish. Now looking at weekly time frame, what we see that from the weekly, this is the price action and market structure is highly bearish, starting from this impulse on the weekly, and you see this narrow correction, which is a sign that the bears are very strong in comparison with the bulls. Now we saw another impulse starting from here, and then there has been another correction. Now it is in another impulsive phase. This is a long-term view on the weekly perspective. Now if we narrow down to this recent time frame, previous week we have seen this strong rejection from the bottom, created this long doji, and from that weekly resistance zone we see that USD CHF currently, after breaking this previous weekly high, a little bit of overextended to the upside, grab liquidity, and now we see that the price is rejecting again. As you can see, this is a long-term bearish market. The price grab liquidity, we can expect USD CHF to continue to drop in this direction. So with that in mind, what we can expect USD CHF to continue to drop. Now where we can expect this price to continue to drop? Now what we see that there is a long week on the weekly, and we can expect at least 50% of this long week from the weekly perspective to be tested on USD CHF. Now if we look at daily time frame, what we see that from the daily, there is in fact a strong liquidity grab from this resistance level on the daily, and the price again started to drop. Now what we see that there was a doji previous day. Now with this doji from this daily 20 ma, today the price just been tested 20 m again, and then we see that the price is rejecting again to the downside. So how we can expect now the price to drop? As you can see, we have a level to be tested on the daily time frame, which can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. So let's look at further lower time frame to see where we can find suitable entry opportunity. Now in this lower time frame, we see that whenever the price was hitting this important level of resistance, we see this resistance is being respected quite a few times. Now finally, after grabbing liquidity from this resistance, we have seen that dollar Swiss franc has a rejection. So we see a typical downtrending market structure in the zone on USD CHF. Now to find an entry opportunity, so let's see the local trend line that we can see USD CHF. Now this is the previous resistance zone here on the local time frame, where we can expect the price to go ahead and test this resistance and to give us a suitable entry opportunity. So as soon as we will find during the lifetime of this candle or later and suitable entry opportunity along this zone according to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going short on USD CHF with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading USD CHF. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.